Hello friends, welcome to part 27 of Laravel 12 multi-banner e-commerce series. In this part, we are going to update our admin panel by integrating the beautiful and user-friendly SweetAlert 2 jQuery library for lead confirmation alerts. Okay, so this feature will also improve the user experience by replacing the basic JavaScript confirm dialog with a more stylish, modern, and consistent alert system throughout the project. So we are going to use this SweetAlert 2 for the better alert and the confirmation for the normal alerts and for the confirmation like the delete confirmation alerts. Okay. So let's do that. Okay. Let's follow these steps to integrate this SweetAlert 2 jQuery library. Okay. So first of all, we are going to add the simple JavaScript confirm alert. After that, we are going to modify it to have the SweetAlert 2. Okay. So for all the see delete confirmation like for the subadmins for the categories as well, we have done so far two modules. One is the admin management and one is the categories. Okay, in the catalog management we have done the categories so far. So for both, like for the subadmins, here, like for the subadmins, for the deletion of the subadmin and also for the deletion of the category, we must have that SweetAlert 2. But right now we will just add the simple basic delete functionality. Like if I'm going to click on this delete, see it states where delete the subadmin without even give any confirmation. Maybe I have clicked on this delete icon by mistake. It must be give me the confirmation like, are you sure you want to delete this subadmin? Okay, if I click on okay, if I click on yes, then it will delete. Otherwise, if I will click on cancel, then it will not delete. Okay, so that kind of alert is required. So I'm going to open the subadmins blade file here, subadmins .blade.php file, and here I'm going to add first of all the basic alert, and for that I need to add a few class and ID. Okay, here you can see I need to modify. We will begin by implementing a basic JavaScript confirm alert for the subadmin module. So I'm going to add this one in the delete icon. So here I'm going to modify this one, here last one, and here I'm going to add here the confirmed lead class. We need to make sure here the class is no class is added there, so I'm going to add the class here. Class is here, class. Okay, confirmed lead class. After class I'm going to add the name as well as the title as well. Okay, name as well as the title. We are going to add one by one. Name subadmin, and after that I'm going to add the title lead subadmin. Okay, so that name as well as the title we are going to use in our jQuery function, and the jQuery function will work on the basis of this confirmed lead class. Okay, so I'm going to open the custom.js file of admin, and here I'm going to add this jQuery function JavaScript code. I'm going to add, okay, JavaScript basic JavaScript code we are going to add first of all. Okay, so we are going to add this you can see that we are going to add inside this as well. Okay, so let's add it here, align it, so it will simply will give the message, are you sure to delete this? So here the name will come. Okay, name we are sending from here, name is the subadmin. Are you sure you want to delete this subadmin? Okay, so it will give the basic alert. So I'm going to refresh here and we'll try to delete this subadmin. Click on delete. See, it is giving the basic alert. Are you sure to delete the subadmin? If I will click on cancel, then it will not do anything, and if I will click on OK, then it's going to delete this subadmin. So I'm going to click on this OK, and you can see it deleted this subadmin. So it asked for the confirmation, a basic confirmation, and after that it deletes the subadmin. Okay, so now we are going to use the advanced alert, that is the SweetAlert 2. Okay, we are going to use that advanced alert. So see, same thing we can do with the categories as well, but there is no use because we are going to update it with the SweetAlert 2. If you don't want to use this SweetAlert 2, then you can follow the same thing for the category deletion as well. You will just assign the class to the to here as well. See confirm delete class, give the name as category and title as delete category. Then it will work. The same code, the same function is for deleting the category as well. Okay. So let's come to the SweetAlert 2 integration. You can install the SweetAlert 2 either with this command npm install SweetAlert 2 in your project, or you can simply add this CDN path. You can save this script offline and then can use it as well, or you can simply add this CDN path. For saving the time, I'm going to use the CDN path. Otherwise, it is better if going to save it in your local folder. Okay. So in scripts.blade.php file, I'm going to add this script, and here I'm going to add the script. I'm going to see that where to add. I'm going to add it at the last. Okay, for the SweetAlert. Okay, so I'm going to add the message here. I'm going to add the message SweetAlert. Like see the comment I'm going to add here. Okay, so now we are going to first test it that the SweetAlert is working fine or not. So in that basic confirm delete, I'm going to add this one just to test it that it is working fine. Okay, so in this basic confirm delete, I will not do anything. I'm doing the return false. Okay, so I'm not going to delete. And see, I'm going to click on delete. Yes, the SweetAlert is working fine. Good job, you click the button. Okay, so the SweetAlert is working fine. I can undo. So I now come to know that the SweetAlert is working fine with this JS that we have added. Okay, with the simple JS. Otherwise, you can even install the SweetAlert by running that command. Okay, that I have shared. You can also run this npm command to install the SweetAlert too. Otherwise, you can simply add this script. So it's working fine. Now we can able to update. We are going to update the delete link for subadmin to use the SweetAlert. Okay, so let's update it once again. So I'm going to so what I can do, I can even comment or I can simply going to update. So I'm going to update it here. You can see the confirmed delete class will remain the same. Name is subadmin and title is delete subadmin. And so see we are going to use the now pass module info using data attribute. We are going to use the data attribute. Okay. So in data module, we are going to add the subadmin, and in data ID, we are going to add this subadmin ID. Okay. In data module, first of all, we are going to use this subadmin. And one more thing we are required to do, we are going to remove the direct link. Okay, so here after this one, first I'm going to add here the data module, that is the subadmin, and data ID, that is the subadmin ID. And here I'm going to comment this one actually, this one. Okay, so now see, now we're going to check. So after this, we are going to add the jQuery function for this SweetAlert. So I'm going to copy this jQuery function and will update in our custom.js. And here this function, I'm going to comment this function first of all. This specific function I'm going to comment, and we'll add this SweetAlert2 function. So see from where I have copied this, from where I have not made it all myself. I have just taken the help from the SweetAlert2. See, in the beginning of the document, I have shown you the SweetAlert2. So this SweetAlert2, I'm going to open this link. I'm going to open, I'm going to search, and we'll open this first link. And here I am able to access this complete document. And here you can see these are the SweetAlert scripts, okay, that you are required to add. Okay, so you will get also will get the confirm SweetAlert script. Here you can see the confirm SweetAlert script. So I am able to copy this one and will modify as per my own requirement. Okay, so here you can see that the SweetAlert jQuery script. Here you can see that module we are sending, module ID we are sending. Okay, so these both we are using in our link. This is the dynamic link. See, every module will have this one admin slash delete. Okay, after that module, then the module ID. Okay, so the in title I'm going to add, are you sure? Okay, so here we can also add, are you sure you want to delete? We can also do it like this. Okay, so if the user clicks on yes, then it's going to redirect to the URL, this URL, and finally it will able to delete this one. Otherwise, if we will not confirm, then it's not going to do anything. Okay, so let's try this one for the subadmin. So now I'm going to refresh here and we click on delete, and here it's SweetAlert is coming. Are you sure you want able to revert this? Yes, delete it, otherwise cancel. I'm going to click on cancel first of all, and here you can see it not done anything. Okay, so now I'm going to click on yes, delete it this time. Yes, delete it. So now you can see that the subadmin deleted successfully. Now this message has come, subadmin deleted successfully, only after the admin confirmed to delete. Okay, so like this you can able to add this one at your end as well. Okay, so same thing we are going to use with the categories module as well. So only the category delete button is required to update. Same function will work for the categories module. So this is the benefit. Same function we are going to use for all the modules. Okay. So I will simply open the category module index. It's in the index, okay. And here I'm going to modify here. It's in the form, okay. Delete form method, okay. So we are going to modify it here. Here we are going to add. See, in href there must be no link. And we are going to see this one is not required. Confirm this basic on submit confirmation is not required. We are going to remove this one. After this, we are going to add the data module is the category, and this one we are required to add in button, not here. Okay, so this one is fine, and this one we are going to add here. After delete category, we are see type is button, so we are going to add here the type button instead of submit, and here class is confirmed lead. We're going to use the class confirmed lead. Name is category. Title is lead category. Type is button. Style is this one that is already there. And href we are not sending to any link. So here we are going to add href like this. Title is lead category already done. So we are going to remove this one. So after this data module is the category. And finally data ID is category ID. Okay, so it's done, and now we are going to try deleting the categories, and I will go there, will click on categories, and you can see are the there are the categories, and now I'm going to delete the this one Apple mobiles category. I'm going to click on delete this one. So here you can see, are you sure? If I will click on cancel, then it will not do anything, and if I will click on yes, delete it, then it's going to delete this Apple category. So it has deleted the category deleted successfully, but it first of all it asked for the confirmation, only then it deletes the category. Okay, so once again I'm going to delete this mobile category. See, this time I'm not going to delete. See, are you sure you won't be able to revert this? Yes, delete it. It will delete. And if I click on cancel, then it will not delete. Okay. So like this, you can able to add the Sweet Alert for any of the module in your admin panel. Okay. So I hope that it's clear to you. So in the next part, maybe we will start working on the products module now. Okay. So stay tuned for the further videos, and also do subscribe the channel, that is the Stack Developers YouTube channel, for more Laravel updates. Also we are working on the Shopify series, so please subscribe the channel for latest technologies and for getting all the updates. Okay, and also you can join the channel anytime to get the complete source code. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.